border network. Àwọn tí ń lo satellite. And what that means is that they have bypassed your security network. That's why they can operate freely within Nigeria, post things on TikTok, post things on Facebook, and communicate with the outside world. We know the agenda is real, but ẹ̀yin lẹ sọ pé agenda is real. So lè expect kí olóyè kó kọ́ máa pa gìrì máa bọ̀ wọnú Nàìjíríà nígbà tí wọ́n ti fún ní freedom ẹ̀. He would love to, tó bá gba freedom ẹ̀, adé Kwara, adé Kogi, adé gbogbo bí tẹ́ǹsán yẹn, but for now he doesn't have his freedom. There's little he can do. So mo kí gbogbo wa, mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n mi Gani Alagbala. I've not spoken to you today, but I know today is your birthday. Kémi nígbà birthday mi anyway. Dẹ̀ lè sọ pé ẹ̀gbọ́n nígbà tí mò ń ṣe birthday, but èmi kí ẹ̀gbọ́n mi dáadáa, àwọn ni olùdarí ìfẹ́lódùn tó jẹ́ president wa lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́, àkí gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ láì fẹ̀gbẹ́ kankan sílẹ̀. Now, let's come back quickly because like I said, 2 hours, I'm going to end this broadcast.